The West Jaintia Hills District Administration published the final electoral roll for the 4 assembly constituencies, Nartiang ST, Jawai ST, Raliang ST and Mukayao ST. The electoral rolls were distributed to the political representatives by the Deputy Commissioner Sri Garod LNS Dykes, IAS, today in the conference room. Deputy Commissioner's Office Jawai in the presence of the Additional Deputy Commissioner Sri L. Kinjing, Extra Assistant Commissioner Election Srimati D.D. Singh I, EAC Srimati Y.R. Maulang and staff of the election branch were also present. Briefing the representatives of the political parties, Garod LNS Dykes informed that the final electoral roll of all the 4 constituencies published has a total of 1,49,259 voters, out of which 71,790 are male voters and 77,469 female voters, with reference to 1st January 2021 as a qualifying date. He requested the representatives to go through the electoral list to identify corrections, if any, and to bring the notice of the district administration. Srimati D.D. Singh I, EAC election said, after the summary revision of the rolls, the strength of voters in the district in the 4 constituencies has gone up. The total number of voters in the draft roll were 1,43,655 and after the summary revision, 1,49,255 voters, including 7 Amlarem ST constituency. She thanked the political representatives, BLOS, supervisors and field officers for their effort and cooperation during the special summary revision. The constituency breakup of voters are as follows. In Nartiang constituency ST, there are a total of 40,275, out of which 19,692 male voters and 20,582 female voters. In Jawai constituency, there are 37,783, which includes 17,738 male voters and 20,045 female voters. In Raliang constituency ST, total number of voters 36,341, which includes 17,297 male and 19,044 females. In Mukayao constituency ST, there are a total of 34,861 voters, which includes 17,063 male voters and 17,798 female voters.
Forms, thank you form 6. Ban, tak kemud ki form 6 bang ila enroll yaki beri buat ke enrollment ni kalau akhir syaka nak draft application ni dan silap sapulai hajar dreus pak sampusan ki voters mentapat ngiladan silap sap kendai hajar aspak san kendai ngot ki voters saka district including both male and female. Te kalau along ke achievement namar ngilak ki bah hunius nam hakaliang ka enrollment tang bang syukwa ban stress kendiat hang dia bah kan ni ka summary revision ni ye iru beki duna bah ka jing file jing ki form 7 khamtam ki ki balayam tiki bialo jing ni jing syakil alej ki polling station ki la ai ka awareness ki brio tang bah ki duna pat ki form 7 tele si ada fidang dan dang la man awareness na kan yang jing ki political parties khamtam ka por election bingen la ni kinu ki jing huri hura ni kinu ki jing ye kendo iwe tiki ni ki badai ban delete hi na ka electoral roll ki dan kamban one niche office ki bahing bahasam le si khamtam ki bayap kin delete no ki keteng jang ki na ka electoral roll ta ka file na form 7 detang na ga jing kerpa na kan yang jang bat sa sisir nga ai kuble yang fi baro bat ni kerman ni ga jing trailang jang baro hi naduk badet tam haduk bahet tam